We all want to be successful. We dream of the day we finally make it. But somewhere along the way, have you ever felt like you're drifting apart from the people who matter? Maybe you have been told that success demands sacrifice, that you have to choose between your career and your loved ones. But what if that's the biggest lie we have been told? Today, let's talk about how you can chase your goals without leaving behind the people who make life truly meaningful. We live in a world that glorifies hustle. Work hard, sacrifice everything, and you will make it. But here's a real question. What happens when you finally achieve success, but there's no one left to celebrate it with? A lot of people believe they have to make a choice, either build a career or nurture relationships. But what if I told you that true growth isn't about choosing, it's about balance? Psychologists say that meaningful relationships improve overall well-being, reduce stress, and even increase lifespan. But when we chase success at the cost of connection, we unknowingly create a future where achievement feels hollow. Think about it. What's the point of reaching the top if there is no one beside you? The real question isn't career or people you love. It's how do I balance both? Here's how you can have both growth and strong relationship. First one, set clear priorities. Success doesn't have to mean sacrificing relationships. Define what truly matters and allocate time accordingly. Second, schedule time for loved ones. Treat relationships like an important meeting. Schedule time for them. Communicate your goals. Let people know what you're working towards. When they understand your purpose, they'll support you instead of feeling ignored. Fourth, create boundaries between work and personal life. Stop letting work consume every moment. Set clear off hours where you focus on the people who matter. Fifth, celebrate together. Don't wait until you have made it too. Include the people who support you. Share small wins along the way. Sixth, check in on your relationships. Every few weeks, ask yourself, am I making time for the people who matter? If not, it's time to adjust. At the end of the day, life isn't about choosing between success and people who you love. It's about learning to nurture both. Hustle, grow, achieve, but don't lose sight of the people who make life meaningful. Because real success isn't measured by money or titles. It's measured by who's still beside you when you achieve it. So tell me, what's one small change you can make today? Comment below. I would love to hear your thoughts.